Okay, so the first exercise we're going to do is a foundational exercise. This is not meant to be of high intensity, so we're going to basically do it once a day would be great, a few to 5 times a week, but just kind of something that's very intentional in movement, mild to moderate intensity, and it's an isometric, so what you're going to do is shorten the muscle group and hold for a 6 to 8 second hold, and then rest completely in between each one. And then you'll repeat on the opposite limb. So what we're going to do to begin with is you're just going to roll onto your stomach, and you're going to create a little pillow with your fingertips under your forehead. And then we want to lower our shoulders, kind of lengthen our neck. Our toes are pointed into the floor, and then you're going to bend one knee. And from this position, we just want to make sure that our abdomen and our core muscles are stabilizing our pelvis in a neutral low back position. And then, as if I was going to slide an envelope under my knee, I just want to lift ever so slightly, so I'm getting true hip extension and not incorporating low back extension. So you can see a slight difference. I can get much higher if I allow my low back to extend as well. But you're going to hold each one for 6 seconds and then rest completely. And then repeat. Engage the abdomen, shoulder blades held down and back, and repeat. So like I said, you'll do 6 repetitions, hold each one for 6 to 8 seconds, and repeat left and right. And you do this frequently enough that your body gets used to turning on those muscles and really and truly engaging your hip extensors, your glute max in particular. We'll move on to phase 2 in just a moment.